Sri Lanka, a land of many stories. Stories of its bountiful nature. Stories of its rich culture. These stories have been engraved into monuments that relate them to the future. In the hill capital of Sri Lanka, one such monument stands as a keeper of stories that deserve to be preserved on for generations to come. Atop Trinity Hill, a house of God was built, encompassing the legacies of Sri Lankan origin intertwined with Western philosophy and Christianity. The chapel of Trinity College Kandy, a historical landmark, has stood as an emblem of architecture and spirituality since 1922. It has inspired generations of the Trinity community, serving as a sanctuary for reflection and growth. This unique edifice embodies Sri Lanka's cultural heritage and architectural expertise. Its towering granite columns and intricately carved wooden picadas, a definitive characteristic of architecture in the hill country, showcase the island's ancient skills in stonemasonry and wood carving. The craftsmanship seen in the chapel's detail is extraordinary. The picadas, a blend of cobble and capital, feature elaborate designs carved into wood, demonstrating a fusion of artistic ingenuity and traditional techniques. The granite carvings, robust yet delicate, tell stories etched in stone, reflecting the island's mastery in using natural materials. The chapel's construction was a monumental effort that spanned over 50 years. Granite pillars, each weighing 3 tons, were quarried and transported by elephants, reflecting the dedication and skill of countless craftsmen. This process required immense imagination and determination, reminiscent of the great lithic monuments of ancient Sri Lanka. Adorning the walls are large, colorful murals painted by renowned artist and alumnus David Painter. These masterpieces, depicting biblical scenes in a tropical Sri Lankan setting, add to the chapel's unparalleled beauty. The scenes are set against lush tropical backdrops, bringing a unique Sri Lankan essence to these timeless stories. This fusion of local culture and universal themes makes the murals a treasured part of our heritage, becoming one of the only places in the world where Jesus is boldly depicted to have brown skin and short hair, akin to a local. However, after decades of exposure to humidity, pollutants, and natural wear, this magnificent structure is in dire need of restoration. The murals, once vibrant, now show signs of fading and damage, and the granite pillars need reinforcement. A comprehensive restoration plan has been developed by a committee of experts, including architects and engineers. Their assessment emphasizes the urgent need for professional intervention to preserve the chapel's structural integrity and historical value. Restoring the chapel will ensure it continues to serve as a place for reflection, assembly, and spiritual growth for future generations. This effort will preserve an irreplaceable part of our heritage, symbolizing Trinity's core values: integrity, service, excellence, and resilience. We invite you to join us in this noble endeavor. Your contributions will help preserve this sacred space, ensuring it remains a repository of legacy and stories for the future. Support the Trinity College Chapel Restoration Project. Donate today and be a part of preserving our legacy for future generations.